Welcome to a journey through the history of library management, focusing on a system that laid the groundwork for modern libraries, the Cardex system. The Cardex system was a fundamental method for organizing and tracking library materials, particularly periodicals and serials, before the digital age. In its time, Cardex played a crucial role, ensuring librarians could efficiently manage vast collections and users could locate needed resources. It represented a significant transition, moving libraries from entirely manual record-keeping to a more structured, though still physical, system that eventually paved the way for digital automation. For library science students today, understanding Cardex is essential. It provides a foundational perspective on how library systems evolved and the challenges they overcame. By studying Cardex, we gain a deeper appreciation for the sophistication and efficiency of modern digital library systems, recognizing the significant progress made. Though no longer in active use, the Cardex system's legacy endures, reminding us of the continuous innovation in library management and its unwavering commitment to knowledge accessibility.